Welcome. In front of me is a Motorola ThinkPhone 25, and today I will show you how you can boot this device into Bootloader. So, to get started, you will want to hold the power button and volume up at the same time, which will bring up our boot options, and here just select power off. Now, when the device turns off, hold the power button and volume down at the same time. And this should shortly boot us into the bootloader. And there we go. Now, in here, you will need to use volume buttons to navigate through the options that will be visible, each individually right here. So if I start scrolling down, first we have Start, which takes us back to Android. Then we have Restart Bootloader, which just brings us back here. Next, we have Recovery Mode, Power Off, Barcodes, Bootloader Logs, and we're back to Start. Now, I also want to point out that this mode is also labeled as Fastboot Mode. I would say it's almost invisible right here. Maybe if I bring it closer. Okay, you can see the red text. Oh, there we go. So you can see if my hand isn't swaying too much. Fastboot Mode. So it is labeled as Fastboot Mode in here, but there is actually another Fastboot Mode that I can access. And if I were to select Restart Bootloader, it actually brings me back here, kind of cementing the idea that this is a bootloader log or bootloader. In any case, once you have the option selected that you want to utilize, like for instance, I want to select Start, just press power button when it's visible, and this will now bring me back to Android. And there we go. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.